Why remove electronic components from circuit boards when extracting the metal in the waste circuit board? The electronic components on the waste circuit board should be disassembled first. On the one hand, impurities can be removed, and on the other hand, the electronic components can be recycled and reused. The specific process is to put the waste circuit board into the dismantling machine for high-temperature heating, and the tin removal and disassembly can be completed in one step. The advantage is that it can reduce the damage of components and the loss of precious metals. Besides, because some electronic components contain precious metals such as gold, silver, palladium, etc., they can be further refined and reused in advance, and some may contain harmful substances, which require special treatment. As for naked PCB motherboards, they are mainly composed of copper and resin powder, which can be recycled with our circuit board's recycling machine to get copper powder and resin powder. If you want to know more information about the PCB recycling plant line, PLs contact us, get quotation. WhatsApp, WeChat, +86 157 3676 7131. Email address, mandijong198722@gmail.com.
活络的，这个液料碟就点子圆的。